Hey guys, it's day 5 in Vegas.
The last
day. Today we have planned out going to the big souvenir shop by our hotel, and then a surprise that we'll show you guys later. No, just kidding. It's the wedding chapel by our hotel, and then we're gonna go eat breakfast at the Yardbird, which is like some amazing gluten-free place according to the comments.
I think tomorrow it's our last day actually here, so tomorrow. We'll probably just document our way out and
Tomorrow's
like
video
an
is gonna be
overview,
kind of short.
and like an overview of the trip, I guess.
Yeah, we'll see you guys there.
So today's the last day, and come along.
Gonna get married.
Well, it's nicer at nighttime, so we're probably gonna come back at nighttime. Next is the huge souvenir shop. This is what it's called, Chapel of the Bells. I don't know, it was pretty attractive. At nighttime, this whole thing lights up. And it's pretty cool.
Look how big it is.
It's pretty big. It goes like this. It goes around town, I guess.
And then over there's a liquor store.
So we're out of the souvenir shop.
We are currently walking to the bus.
And yeah, we got, souvenir shop is really huge, but we didn't see much. There's just a bunch of souvenirs, but like nothing that caught our eyes. The only thing that
because we already did our souvenir shopping.
yeah. We got some stickers because she came up with this idea. Apparently there's this thing where you can order suitcases, like custom made suitcases, like with logo, I guess. So I think we're gonna end up doing that with our logo on it.
And then fill it up with the places we go.
And then yeah, because I've been wanting to do that. I've been wanting to put like stickers on something. I have a bunch of stickers and I just don't know where to put them.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Exciting.
Back at the strip.
Yay! Our favorite place.
Yep. It's a nice windy day, but
A good one.
it's a good wind. It's like a summertime wind. That's the Venetian across the street. We hadn't gone here before. We haven't eaten breakfast. We're back at, this is the Mirage. Oh, we were here last night. Woo. There's gondolas down here.
That's so romantic.
Yep. For a small fee, you can go, well no, not a small fee, a large fee. You can go on a gondola tour. So,
We need reservations, so we're going in at 2:30 and it's currently 2. Time to figure out what we're doing for 30 minutes.
yeah, we're probably gonna go to the casino and lose some more.
Exciting. What do you think of it?
It was good. Bit on the expensive side.
Yeah.
Upscale, but
It was really good.
very good.
The mac and cheese, delicious.
Yeah, the fried chicken was also good. I had fried chicken. No, it did not have gluten. They actually pay a lot of attention to that stuff.
They like asked him like right away if he was.
Yeah, so it was very good. Anyway, we'll be heading out now because we're not spending any more dollar bills in this stupid casino.
Those bills be adding up.
Yep. Very aesthetically pleasing. Very pretty.
I think looking at the hotel, you can just imagine how was the restaurant.
Yep.
We're gonna see flamingos.
After much
And look,
deliberation,
it's daytime.
after much discussion, we've decided to revisit the flamingos because she wants to.
Excited.
So yeah, we're gonna go back to the Flamingo.
Las aquellas son pescados grandes. Mire, son pescados grandes.
No way, no way, no way.
Yeah.
No, there's an orange, and black ones, and there's
Oh, mira, ya está un blanco, ¿ves?
we saw an orange one, so bad.
I see they're sleeping.
One of them woke up. Look at it stretching.
I think they're cleaning each other. Either that or they're neck kissing. Nope, they're cleaning each other.
Oh, so cute.
That's so nice. Meanwhile, the other guy's just alone cleaning himself.
The third wheel be like.
We're going to the ice bar. They give us drink cards.
We're gonna put our stuff away.
Yeah.
These thingies.
Looks pretty dead. It is cold in here, guys. It is cold, I tell you. Yeah. She decided to walk in without gloves. We got our drink.
I got ice in the coconut.
And I got icy banana.
The cups are ice also, like.
Ready?
So, we're leaving a bit early.
Yep.
It's actually freezing in here. Woo. You place your dirty gloves here.
Place gloves here.
Wow, in here so warm. We can just warm up and go back inside, babe.
No. I actually took a shot, babe.
I know. Out.
We're out.
It's so warm outside.
Yeah, this is like nothing, like literally.
This is beautiful.
Like it was windy. It's windy right now, but
I think you can tell my
literally.
hands are like kind of red right now.
Well, yeah, I can't feel my toes.
Oh, my baby. Well, you know what time it is?
You know what time it is?
Time to find pennies.
Yep, she's excited for this.
I'm so excited.
Then we have a reservation at 8.
What time is it actually? Oh, it's 6. We have 2 hours.
Yep, 2 hours to find the penny.
And then nothing to do.
Yeah, so then we're gonna go eat and
Yeah.
we'll see what happens, I
Pretty
guess.
much our day.
Yep, and then we go back and pack and we wrap it up.
And
I guess.
cry about having to leave.
Yeah. We're here, guys.
Cute. Okay, what are we getting? How does
It's
this
$1.
work? How does this work? Okay.
And so which ones do we need? We need this one because it has the Eiffel Tower on it.
We have the Vegas one.
We have the Vegas one. I think that's it, unless you want to get this, but we didn't go
No,
on
we
this,
didn't
so
go on it.
so I guess it would just be this one. There you
Beautiful.
go.
Yay.
Okay. We're heading to the fountain of Bellagio again. This time to catch the show on time in front of us, which is what we want. Because the last time we were here, we didn't get it in time, so
I think now you have to,
we're
like,
gonna do this. We're gonna do it this
right?
time at the right time. So see you there. Nice. I believe it's closed. I I think. I don't know. He's right there. He's sucking on the glass.
See its face?
Yeah. Look at that fish over there. He's got like a weird nose.
We are at El Segundo Sol, right? And I have a frozen margarita, and he has a margarita on the rock. And we have some nachos. Later, my tacos are coming and his burger is coming. We got our food, my tacos, and then look at his! They say allergy on it. Wow, Vegas is actually pretty awesome with their allergy stuff.
Yeah, that's Vegas, I guess.
And we're not really gonna do anything. We're just gonna pack, shower, and get ready for bed.
Yeah, that's it. That was it for today. Tomorrow, I guess.
I don't know.
I don't know about
We gotta
tomorrow.
check out at
We'll see
11.
we'll see. Yeah, check out at 11. Flight leaves
Flight's
at 1.
So it all depends
We'll
on
see.
if we pack everything today.
Yeah, we'll talk and stuff. Recap and everything.
We'll see you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Bye!